Have you been searching for the perfect SUV with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2019 Honda CR-V LX in white diamond pearl. With HID headlamps, electronic stability control, 17-inch aluminum wheels, brake assist, LED tail lamps, rear window wiper and washer, front bucket seating, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 5-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, split folding rear seats, 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 6548A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.